My dear friends, my dear masters and my dear gods, this is Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement India. We want peace. Everybody wants peace. And where do you get the peace? And how will you get the peace? My dear friends, peace comes from two factors. First is ahimsa. The second is meditation. Ahimsa means three things: non-killing, non-violence and non-interference. You can't interfere in others' affairs. Whether the others are humans or animals or birds or fish, you cannot interfere with their life. You should desist from killing for food, for sport, for scientific experimentation, for research purposes. No way. Spirituality will never allow that. And if you do that, you will lose your peace of mind. When you kill others, beings, animals, birds and fish and human beings, when you violate the integrity, when you interfere with their habitual patterns, then you will lose your peace of mind. All this topic is called ahimsa. We have been told that ahimsa paramo dharmaha. Highest righteousness is ahimsa. Ahimsa has got three departments: non-killing, non-violence and non-interference. The second point is meditation. Even if you are in ahimsa, if you are not a meditator, you will not have peace of mind. And even if you have meditation, if you are not in ahimsa, again you will not have peace of mind. This peace has got two sides. One is ahimsa and there is meditation. So one must be candidate for both the sides of the coin. Then he will have the coin. The coin is called a peace. So in this Ekam World Peace Festival, these two sides of the coin are being stressed by Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. Pyramid Spiritual Society movement is working for every human being's peace, every animal's peace, every bird's peace, every fish's peace. The animals are losing their peace because of the human beings. The animals are not losing peace because of themselves, no. The animals are losing peace because of human beings. And humans are losing peace because of human beings, because of their own stupid choices. Heinous karma. So Pyramid Spiritual Society movement advocates vegetarianism. You can't have animals on your plate for food, on your dining table, no way, on your dining plate. Only plant-based food. And you should do a lot of meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is making the mind empty. Sans any thoughts about the worldly things. You should have an empty mind. When you cease to talk, it is called mauna. When you cease to think, it is called dhyana. Out of 24 hours a day, everybody must practice meditation for 1 or 2 hours. I would recommend 3 hours. But a minimum of 1 hour is a must for every human being to have peace of mind. When you do meditation, automatically you will become a candidate for ahimsa. From himsa, you will come to ahimsa because of your meditation, because of your changed mind structure. Meditation modifies your mind. If you are given to himsa, killing, violence and interference, the mind will easily turn towards ahimsa, that is non-killing, non-violence and non-interference. Meditation is the base. The first thing and the offshoot of meditation is ahimsa. And coupled with these two, that is what gives us peace. Peace in every human being and peace in the whole of humanity. My dear friends, I really congratulate this Ekam World Peace Festival. We have had independence of India because of ahimsa of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi always held the book of Bhagavad Gita in his hand. And the message of Bhagavad Gita is do meditation. The Bhagavad Gita says, tapasvibhyodiko yogi, jnanibhyo matodikaha, karmyobhyashad yogi, tasmat yogi bhavati. Become a yogi, my dear. Become a meditator. That is the essential message of Bhagavad Gita. And ahimsa is the way shown by Mahatma Gandhi for bringing independence to India. So it is apt that the program is beginning on August 9th and ending on August 15th, which is our country's Independence Day, which has been brought by peaceful means. The father of the nation is a great candidate for peace, great apostle of peace and ahimsa. We are all the children of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. We have to follow similar principles. And we are very, very happy to have a great Prime Minister among us, Sri Narendra Modi ji, who comes from the same Gujarat and follows the same principles of ahimsa and dhyana, and is showing the great part to the whole of India and the whole of the world. Under his great leadership, India will again regain its ancient glory and will be the leader among all the nations, showing the way to all the nations. Let me come back to the two main points. One is ahimsa and the second is meditation, dhyan. Ahimsa means non-killing, non-violence and non-interference, especially with the animal kingdom, including the bird kingdom and the fish kingdom. We have no right to kill any animal, any bird, any fish and eat the carcasses. It is a devilish work, a Rakshasa work. So, Pyramid Spiritual Social Movement teaches every human being the two great points. One is ahimsa, the second is meditation. Minimum 1 hour per day must be done meditation, and if you do 3 hours per day, that will be wonderful. You will establish immense peace in your own self. You will become a peaceful human being, peaceful human warrior. And you will spread your own peace to everybody else once you become a peace warrior. Pyramid Spiritual Society Movement wishes very well for this Ekam World Peace Festival being organized from August 9th to 15th. All Pyramid Masters are peace warriors. They are working 24/7 to spread ideas of meditation, ahimsa, non-killing, non-violence, non-interference to every human being. We hope in another 10 years, the whole 7.5 billion people of this earth planet will become peaceful warriors. My pranams to everybody who is working for peace.